Here we got a 1930 Ford Roadster. It's lowered, stripped down, and all the fenders are off, running boards are off. Looks like, I think it's got, I don't know what's in there, man. It might be like an original engine, I'm not sure.
Is that going to work too well?
It's got, you know, a 3 or 4 speed on there or something. It's a nice gauge set up there. You got the mirror right here. 160 mile an hour speedometer. I bet you're going 160 in this. You got your door openers and door straps. That's why I like these older cars, because they're simple.
I don't know. We never hear half an hour about work.
You know what I mean? Before these went through the roof, these were the cars that, went through the roof for price. These were the cars to build. Everybody's looking at these 50s and 60s cars. These were the ones that are way simpler to build, way lighter and everything.